Well, a graduate student in Baltimore thinks he may be the first person successfully immunized against COVID-19. David Rock is part of a clinical trial for a COVID-19 vaccine that is showing promise. But because he is an immunology student himself, he thinks he knows it is working. And Brad Bell has the details.
We first met David Rock back in early May when he became the first person to be injected with a trial COVID-19 vaccine at the University of Maryland School of Medicine. He is very much aware how much success would mean.
It's exciting. It's exciting from the side of a participant. It's exciting from the side of a graduate student who's studying immunology. And it's also exciting that it's hopefully the promise of a vaccine by next year and life returning to a semblance of normal.
Then came the news released last week by vaccine maker Pfizer. Early indications from the Maryland trial, Rock's trial, are that the vaccine works, stimulating growth of antibodies in those vaccinated at rates equal to or higher than in those who've had the disease.
There's also a component of relief saying that it's actually producing results, that the vaccine is producing antibodies.
Rock, who spoke to us from his lab in Baltimore, can't know for sure if he got the actual vaccine or a saline solution because it's a double-blind trial. But since he had a slight reaction to his second dose, he is convinced he is one of the very few people in the world vaccinated against the coronavirus.
I joke with my friends, I'm not going around licking doorknobs just to prove that it actually does work or it doesn't work.
And Rock will be checked again in October, and he is hoping that tests will show he has full immunity. Pfizer, the maker of the vaccine, has said if all goes well, they will produce 100 million doses before the end of the year.